Nature Talk. World of Dinosaur. A type of reptile lived on Earth for about 160 million years. They were the biggest land animals to live ever upon the earth. When dinosaurs lived, there were no people on Earth. The dinosaur age is divided into 3 periods: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. It is still not clear why dinosaurs became extinct. Maybe because of extreme change in climate, poisonous plants, or because of some animals that ate away dinosaurs' eggs. Many scientists think perhaps a huge asteroid crashed into the earth and killed dinosaurs along with other things. Come on kids, let us learn about some amazing creatures. Chutaras. They are lizard-like creatures found on islands close to New Zealand. They are believed to be related to the extinct dinosaurs. Chutaras are greenish brown and measure up to 80 centimeters from head to tail tip. Kangaroos. Kangaroos are common to the continent of Australia. The kangaroo is a national symbol of Australia. The kangaroo is important to both Australian culture and the national image. Kangaroos are the only large animals to use hopping as a means of locomotion. The average life expectancy of a kangaroo is about 4 to 6 years. Climbing perch or walking fish, member of the labyrinthine fish family. This is an amazing fish which can walk on land with jerky movements. The spiny edges of its gill plates, its fins, and tails help it to support its body and move. It feeds on crustaceans, insects, and vegetation. It is grayish-green and grows to 10 inches long. Cassowary. The cassowary is a very large flightless bird and lives in the rainforest of Australia. The females are bigger and bright colored. They can be identified by the crest on their head. Cassowaries feed mainly on fruits. The southern cassowary is the 3rd tallest and 2nd heaviest living bird. Cassowaries are very shy, but when disturbed, they are capable of inflicting serious injuries to dogs and children. Mandrill. The mandrill is the world's largest species of monkey. The mandrill is found in the tropical rainforests and occasionally grasslands of southern Cameroon, Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, and Congo. The mandrill is an omnivorous. The male of these animals have colorful red and blue markings on their face. In females, the markings are bright. Reef stonefish. The stonefish is a mottled brown greenish in color with many venomous spines along its back. The most venomous fish in the world, it has 13 stout spines. It is believed that its venom is very toxic and has killed many Pacific and Indian Ocean islanders. The stonefish lives primarily above the Tropic of Capricorn. Its habitat is on coral reefs, near and about rocks, or can be found dormant in the mud or sand. Takehi. The takehi is the flightless bird local to New Zealand and belonging to the rail family. This bird has powerful red beak with which it can strip seeds from grass. It has bright color feathers and is found in New Zealand. It is a stocky bird with reduced wings, strong legs, and a massive bill. It eats grass, shoots and insects. Manx. The Manx is a breed of cat. These cats are believed to have originated on an Irish seal island. Tailless cats were common on the island as long as 300 years ago. Legends claim that the Manx is the offspring of a cat and a rabbit, which is why it has no tail and rather long hind legs, so they hop like rabbits. Newts. A newt is an amphibian of the Salmonidridae family. This small animal is a champion swimmer. It has a long, thin body and tail. Its legs are short. It makes a S shape while moving along in the water. They have a lifespan of 12 to 15 years in the wild and may grow to 5 inches in length. Kakapo. A rare bird which lives in New Zealand. It was thought to be extinct. The kakapo is also called owl parrot and is a species of flightless nocturnal parrot endemic to New Zealand. It feeds on plant matters such as fruits and seeds. Hey kids, come on, let us find out more about the creatures. Kids, now we are going to learn some of the features of the animals. Biggest rodent. The capybara is the largest rodent in the world. It is a member of the guinea pig family and actually just looks like a giant guinea pig. Somewhere in the area of 40 to 70 pounds and lives in a marshy habitat. The largest capybara is about 4 feet, 120 centimeter long and 20 inches, 50 centimeter high at the shoulder. The hippopotamus or hippo is a large, mostly plant-eating mammal in sub-Saharan Africa. The hippopotamus is a semi-aquatic. Despite their physical resemblance to pigs and other terrestrial, even toad ungulates, their closest living relatives are whales, porpoises, etc., from which they diverged about 55 million years ago. The common ancestors of whales and hippos split from other even-toe ungulates around 60 million years ago. Smelliest mammal. Skunks are mammals best known for their ability to secrete a liquid with a strong, foul-smelling odor. Skunk species vary in size from about 15.6 to 37 inches, 40 to 94 centimeter, and in weight from about 1.1 pound, 0.50 kg, to 18 pounds, 8.2 kg. Although the most common fur color is black and white, some skunks are brown or grey, and a few are cream colored. All skunks are striped even from birth. Skunks are omnivorous, eating both plant and animal materials and changing their diet as the seasons change. Sleepiest mammal. Dormice are rodents of the family Gliridae. Dormice are mostly found in Europe, although some live in Africa and Asia. They are particularly known for their long periods of hibernation. Dormice can hibernate 6 months out of the year, or even longer if the weather remains sufficiently cool. Dormice are small rodents with a body length of between 6 and 19 centimeter, 2.4 and 7.5 inches, and weighing between 15 and 200 grams, 0.53 and 7.1 ounce. They are generally mouse-like in appearance, but with furred rather than scaly tails. Dormice have an excellent sense of hearing and signal each other with a range of different vocalization. Heaviest tree-dwelling mammal. Orangutan is the tree-dwelling animal. Not only are the orangutans the largest tree-dwelling animal, they are Asia's largest primate. They are very intelligent. An orangutan's standing height averages from 4 to 5 feet, 1.2 to 1.5 meters, and weighs 73 to 180 pounds, 33 to 82 kgs. Cockroach is amazing in the way that it can survive without its head for as long as a week. Cockroaches are insects of the order Blattaria. A tapir is a large browsing animal, roughly pig-like in shape. Tapir can walk on the bottom of ponds and rivers. Although they frequently live in dry land, forest. Tapirs with access to the rivers spend a good deal of time in and underwater, feeding on soft vegetation, taking refuge from predators, and cooling off during hot periods. Tapirs near a water source will swim, sink to the bottom, and walk along the riverbed to feed, and have been known to submerge themselves underwater to allow small fish to pick parasites off their bulky bodies. Along the freshwater launching, tapirs often wallow in mud pits, which also help to keep them cool and free of insects. Prairie dogs are burrowing rodents, native to the grassland of North America. They are a type of ground squirrel. Prairie dogs is a rodent similar to a squirrel. Prairie dogs are named for their habitat and warning call, which sounds similar to a dog's bark. Prairie dogs are also aggressive against predators such as badgers and snakes. The prairie dog is chiefly herbivorous, though it eats some insects. It feeds primarily on grasses and in the fall, broadleaf forbs. Prairie dogs have 1 to 6 pups, babies yearly, which are born blind and furless and need about 30 days of close nurturing from their mother. The cougar or mountain lion, found in North and South America, is also known as puma. The cougar is the largest of the small cats. This large solitary cat has the greatest range of any large wild terrestrial mammal in the Western Hemisphere. The cougar holds the Guinness record for the animal with the highest number of names, presumably due to its wide distribution across North and South America. It has 40 names in English alone.